This is a new video from the stable of Genesis Skills. So today we're having something mind-blowing. You can look at the video on your screen. You see that we're going to do air fresher production. There are some materials we'll be exposing you to be able to produce from the comfort of your home a very good air fresher. So please, if you're new to the channel, try to subscribe. It is just free. So let's go over to the production room as we commence our practicals in details. All right, so what you'll see here is the addition of the first item, which is a piece of menthol. Menthol is actually what will give or will stabilize or act as a catalyst to your production of homemade air fresher. Right? So there you're seeing we've added mineral spirit to it, which is going to help in dissolving the menthol and also help in the diffusion of your final product. Now we're adding a third chemical called Texapon. Texapon is a kind of emulsifier. It will help to curdle the entire chemicals together. It's colorless. You can see there. It will help to give a shape to the chemicals by curdling them together. So after which we will add a little water to have a blend of what we are doing. So here you can see from the screen we are adding this thing gradually, and at this point we can stir. Water has been added 250 ml. However, we are trying to make half a liter of air fresher, but we are adding the water bit by bit so that we can have a good result in our production. Of course, you know that we have two kinds of smell. There is something we call the acidic smell and the alkaline smell. So try to mix very well before you now conclude your production. So at this point, we are going to add our essential oil to our production. It is very important, even though essential oil is somehow expensive, but it will enhance the efficacy of your products, will also give a product quality. All right. To add the second dose of water to make up for the half a liter that we told us earlier we are producing. So this is the second dose, making half a liter of our product, after which we will now add our color and fragrance before the final package. So please, if you're new to the channel, you are here to subscribe. Also reach out to us, share the video to friends and all social media platforms. Very soon also upload more videos on classroom on how to make household products. Thank you very much while you watch the packaging.
The air is fresh. We are done. Just like this. Are you going to go down? For carrying can. Yes. We are still going for the package. This we are done with this now. So this is the package. The color is fine.
Strawberry and amebo.
Strawberry. It's not amebo.
It's not what? It's female.
I think I can make it. It's not strawberry and amebo. What's chicken?
No one will remain.
Alaro.
Alaro.